How to clear cache on Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the datas and caches. First of all, open Lyft. Now here, simply tap and hold to this application. Now on the top, you'll be able to see this eye icon. Simply tap on it. So this will directly open your settings interface. So as you can see, I'm in this app info section. So these are the details about the application. Now in order to clear data, here on the right bottom you can see clear data. Simply tap on it. Now here there are two options, clear all data or simply clear cache. So first, if you have all your data's account and password saved, there won't be any problem clearing all the datas because you can log back in. But if you don't have it, simply just tap on clear cache. So here I'm tapping on clear cache. Again tap on OK. So the app will be refreshed and all the minor problems will be solved too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.